Can this be my thumbnail? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Round two, here we go. My ride along in the new built GT500. We're up here hanging out with STANGMODE. Second video of the day coming up right now. If you guys missed the last one, we got to go explore the Mach 1 back here in the flesh. I got to toy around with it on the street, guys. It's an amazing car. By the way, he's giving that thing away. Can you believe it? STANGMODE.com, and use promo code Xander13 at checkout. Save you some money and get your entries to win that car plus $30,000 cash. 30 grand. I don't even know how he's doing it. I'm helping him out promote the vehicle just like we did when he did his very first giveaway, the 2020 GT500. This one was white. One of you guys out there watching got to win that car. I love to be able to help out good friends and spread the good word. But today, this video, it's all going to be all about this guy right here, the 2020 GT500. He calls a Hulk with an all new built L&M engine, makes 1100 horsepower just like mine. But here is one of the secrets coming up. I'm going to reveal to you right now what's up with my car. I know I've been hinting and teasing at it, but I told you in a few videos back, we're hanging out with a lot of 5.2s and different forms of boost, and that is your hint, because what's coming is going to be the first on YouTube, possibly the first in the world combination that we're doing to my car. It hopefully will break the internet. It's going to be exciting, but I don't want you to miss it. So subscribe, turn the notification bell on. But I digress. Let's go for a ride in the all-new 1100 horsepower 2020 GT500. Let's go. He's got a lethal performance fuel system. You guys just check out the video description for all the discount codes, but we run basically the same fuel system, lethal performance. It runs and performs perfectly. I really like the fact that, you know, the lines and stuff are already pretty much already assembled. But he's got the new Kong Performance billet lid for the supercharger, and we just got off the road, guys, dogging the crap out of these, and this is really, I mean, it's like pretty cool to touch. GLT intake, 1100 horsepower, built by L&M. This is going to be a real treat, real treat. VMP boosted Black Mamba that's run high eights. You know, we've had similar builds over the past, and you know, sometimes history repeats itself, but in its own little different ways. All right, guys, we're in what he calls the Hulk, the new built 1100 horsepower, right?
That's right.
GT500. Let's go. 5.2 life. This is a little bit of a different setup. My car, you know, being twin turbo and everything.
265,
yeah.
Quarter blower from Kong. Built everything. The only thing that's not built is me in the trans. And you know, we'll see what happens.
Yeah, man, this is gonna be fun. But, so yeah, similar power between like your car and mine, with this one.
Yeah.
You know, and different types of boost.
Yeah.
So you gonna turn it up?
Yeah.
All right.
I'll take some clips.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all lead the way.
Okay. Some twin turbo action, GT350R.
You know, we didn't get to run. I don't know if Jack's about having some fun, but you know,
so
we'll wait for the Poconos, he said, because he doesn't want to hurt his car.
So yeah, that man is kind of fearless.
Uh-oh.
He's gonna turn it up. He broke, I think it was 1,005 out of his car. So that car is a go-kart.
Yeah.
With a lot of power.
This car is heavy.
Yeah.
You can feel it. Like,
Yeah.
I've driven enough S50s to realize, like, the 350R, especially twin turbo.
Yeah.
I want to drive that eventually, but I've never experienced that setup. I'm sure it's amazing.
It's fun.
Yeah.
So guys,
Yeah,
we're on the highway, and he's, if I know him, he's gonna send it, so.
Yeah, we gotta
There we
make
go.
sure we have enough room. That's it.
Yeah.
Room city.
Stretch your legs a little bit.
Yeah. Like, we got an APB out for a green and black Mustang here. That's like a drug stop. That's what that is.
Yeah.
We'll roll into this one.
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh wow.
That 7-year-old.
That's so different than my car. Oh, that's brutal. Oh man, you know, because the turbos, they climb and they gradually sink you. That just
Looks like he's coming.
That just pit. Oh, let me get this. Hang on. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Let me, we might have moved the line. We're moving, but we're logging.
Yep.
So let me check if we moved the line.
Yep, caught on camera.
It looks like he hit limiter.
Yeah, I think he missed a gear or hit limiter. Yep.
Let me check. Yeah.
We'll pull over and things will get serious at this point. Hey, we got to pull over. Listen, we got to pull over. We blew a coolant line.
Oh shit, okay.
Yeah, so we're going to pull over and make sure everything's good. I mean, hey, it's a brand new build, you know what I mean?
Yeah. You know, remember your turbo, the clamps?
Yep.
You know?
Yep. Well, I mean, you said, you know, Mom, your cars love the side of the road, you know what I mean?
Luckily this time it looks like it's a cooling line.
Yeah.
And my gains were at 0. I was like, oh, that's why.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Looks like there's something that's
Okay.
Let's wait to open that up. But
Yeah, it's got to cool off.
Yep. No.
All right.
Loose hose.
Yeah, let's start going through our checks.
I don't like how he has the regular setup over there.
I wonder.
So you got heat. Yeah, it's definitely from here.
It's what?
That's where it is.
Yep.
Where is it? Let me see.
See how the clip is way back there? And we got another one.
Yeah.
Well, I like, you know, I can still drive it like this. I'm gonna let it cool off.
No, yeah, just watch the temps.
Yeah, I'm gonna let it cool off and then get home.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
so far everything's all right. Just gotta get home safely. And I think what happens is when they get full throttle, the hose is.
Well, it felt good until it went, you know. 1, 2, 3. And it always does.
It didn't blow.
No, it's fine. It's just cooling.
It's just
cooling.
Like, oh, it blows all the time.
Yeah. Okay.
I can't believe I didn't have my gains turned up. I don't know what it is. Sometimes
You had duty up there, right?
had duty up, but not gains, so I couldn't build boost. I only built like 9 pounds.
Sorry.
No, the Coke's fine.
Everything's fine. It's a cooling. It's happened to me. It's happened to everybody. It's a fresh build.
Yep.
Yeah, no, I felt under that rubber hose was the gap, just about 2 millimeters or whatever. So under boost.
Well, that's New Jersey. No one wants to let you in.
Right.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate you. Probably just got a flat too. I have no idea what it is ran over.
Be alert and use voice commands while driving.
Alright, so it is climbing considerably though.
Stop it.
What's that?
Shh. I mean, you know, 200 is cylinder head temps is, you know, fine. You don't have a thermostat. But if we start to get close to red, we're done. So now it's holding?
Yeah. Oh, now it's going down. Woo!
Yeah.
Thank you. And actually, it's good that we're actually cruising because all the air is flowing in right now, and everything's happening. We're talking about this gauge right here. You guys can see. So what's the title? Gave my friend a ride in my built 100 and it broke down again.
Mama's broken again. I give up.
I know, right? People love when things break more than when they
selling all my
work.
cars.
I know.
Why.
Keeping the Pinto instead. You know.
Hey guys, it was fun. You know, we tried, but
listen,
I mean,
yeah, listen. I mean, by the way, you know, I take my what do you call it? Those arbitrary wins.
you're right.
Sorry, sorry, determined veteran. Hog One. What is his build called? I don't even know.
Voodoo Child is what his is.
Voodoo Child.
Yeah.
Voodoo Child. We'll do more races, but for now.
So mine is. All right, we'll end mine.
Oh, you're live. Yeah.
Yeah, we're still recording. We forgot about the cameras, but yeah, things happen. Just a fresh build.
Yeah.
It's a small coolant leak that got created when we were doing that little boost. So he's been at the track. He was at the track the other weekend. It's a fresh build. It was the first time back at the track since the rebuild, and I've experienced the same thing. I went to the track one time, never filmed it because I came back the next morning and my overflow tank was like completely empty. I called my buddy Ken Speed at X731. I was like, something's wrong. And he's like, no, just check for leaks. And I found it. It was just that one of the clamps had backed off a little bit. Totally normal, totally fine, and can happen to anybody.
We're still holding coolant too because it's not like it's spilling out. Under pressure, under boost.
Right.
It's
so
just too much
everything is a-okay.
Yeah.
But that was definitely a scary moment.
This is all. I'm just R&Ding before we go and we full send at the roll racing event. So this is actually better.
This would have happened on the track.
Yep.
And
So
people would have been pissed because
exactly.
Yeah. So, guys, I'll probably make a trip up here soon.
Sure.
Plane tickets are really cheap these days, so look forward to the updated content. My build is coming here soon. Word on the street is RPG should be done with my engine within a week or so. So get ready, and everything will be revealed. All secrets. I know I've been hinting and teasing, but I'm telling you, it's going to be completely vastly different. You're going to really appreciate what's coming. So I'll see you guys next video, and like always, man, pleasure.
Always.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate you, bro.
And we'll see each other again soon. And check out Determined Veteran. He's back behind us with his new build, new fuel system. Get ready for his content. He's going to turn it up. So look forward to his content. Because that GT350R with twins is one of the most fun toys I've ever been in.
Yeah.
Honestly. So, all right, guys. I'll see you guys later. Be safe.
Peace.
Yeah. We made it back. And what I think is going on is right there. You can see that clamp is just sitting back a little too far. I reached my hand under there and felt a little gap between the rubber and the housing. And under boost, it just kind of slipped and came loose. So a similar thing has happened to me in the past, and all is good. So made the trip home and just stayed out of boost, and all was fine. Cylinder head temps, all coolant temps were fine. So yeah. Could have been bad, had it come completely off, it would have been quite a mess, and it would have been a tow truck for sure, but, all is good. So until next time. Oh,